Back everybody, no gamer dude here. We're back playing this cool game called the Battle Cats. Okay, it's starting. Who cares? Alright, I agree. Okay. Oh, you are not allowed to see this. Let's just start. Play. Attack. The battle begins. Okay. Yeah, we're making a lot of money. What are we going to do? Okay. Okay. Oh. We're winning. Okay. So this is gonna get awesome. Oh, Spirit has gone away. Alright. Oh, okay, so we're gonna fire the cat. Wow. Die, idiots. Okay. Damn. Are we damaging the castle? Oh, I think we are. This is getting awesome. Come on. Fire the laser beam. Yeah. Oh, superior Kimichi is that? Cat food? What the hell? What's so great about cat food? Cat bulletin. Alright, so what's new? Alright, so how many cat food? 30 cat food. Let's start again. No, wait. No, Korea. No, Mongolia. We're going to Mongolia. I heard there's many wild horses there. Get ready. Alright. Come on. Oh, snake! Oh, snake! I wonder if it's a black mamba or what do you call it? I don't know. Copperhead. Whoa! That didn't They're just flying. Fire the laser beam. Man, that has been level 4. Laser beam. Yeah, you're not gonna destroy my home, my turf. Die, you idiots. Alright. Some of the copperheads. There's so many, and I just damaged the turf. Missions. What mission do we have? $50 cat food. Oh, speed up, okay, but 50 minus 50 equals 0, so I'd say we'd have to. Ooh. China! Whoa, is that the Great Wall of China? Oh yeah, they are never gonna stop us. Wow. More cats on the way. Alright. Let's do this. Oh, laser beam. There's another one where they came. Die. So consistent. Making loads of money. And we're damaging your property, fools. There's no way you can. Man, they're not even getting to our. How would you say? Hideout. And we got a victory. We gained 1,600 AP. There is a new cat waiting to get upgraded. Upgrade. Oh my god, I used all my XP. So let's get more XP, shall we? Thailand. Wow. Are we going to Bangkok? Whoa. And there's a snake. Wow, that's a nice temple or temple hideout. No, temple. I mean, hideout made out of gold. Man, I'm liking this game. Go kill yourselves. We're making loads of money here. Wait. We need loads of cats to get our laser beam getting on. We've got it going on for a year. Oh, Stickman! What the hell? I heard someone saying you can kill every animal, but humans, including Stickmen, are not animals. I'm not an animal. Wow. Wow. Laser beam. Alright. Alright. You're damaging your... Alright. Get the laser beam going. Get the laser beam going. Fire in the hole! Stop beating us, little stickman. There's too many of them. Yeah! Boy! Wow! It's a lot of XP. $2,000 XP, wow. Well, I think this is it for this episode, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, and just to let you know, I'm gonna make more Battle Cat videos. See you guys next time.